Hey guys, welcome back. I want to talk about Tyler Perry's donation. Tyler Perry has stepped up and he is contributing $1 million to the Hurricane Harvey relief. Um, but $250,000 of his donation is to go to the Lakewood Church, and that's Joel Osteen's mega church in Houston. Now, as you remember, people criticized Joel Osteen about not opening his church to people who were displaced in the hurricane. And he got a big lashback from that. He defends himself and he states that it wasn't true, that he had turned people away. He said that the church had some flooding difficulties and there were maintenance men at the church, and those are the ones who had turned away the displaced people. And actually, um, it hadn't been told, but that a particular person um, drove the people to the civic center where um, the displaced people, well, the convention center, yes, where all the other first shelter sites. So, Osteen is saying that, that wasn't true. Those were maintenance people and they were trying to prepare the church. They had already contacted the city and said that they would be a relief site where they would take in donations to the church uh, for displaced people. And then the city said, okay, but we need you to open up because the convention center by Monday night would be too crowded to hold people and there would be many more. So Joel Osteen said at that time, he said, okay. And that's when he opened his doors, So many people were talking about, oh, Joel Osteen would not open his megachurch to the people. Now actually, um, Tyler Perry is supporting him. That's why he's earmarked that $250,000 to go to his church. He says that um, in the past he donated money to charities that have not done right by him. And he said, but that won't stop him from giving to charities that are helping families displaced by Hurricane Harvey. And Perry stated he stressed that he's given his money to ministries and charities that are boots on the ground. And he vowed that $250,000 to go to Osteen's megachurch, and he defended the pastor against all the scrutiny he received for delaying opening his church to house the displaced uh, people of Houston. So, also, yesterday marked the first Sunday um, that Osteen preached since the Hurricane Harvey. And, in his sermon, he explained that people were backlashing him, but he defended himself and still stated that that wasn't true. And also, they say that, you know, Joel Osteen took up money that Sunday, which a lot of people backlashed him for taking up money for the hurricane relief, because they were saying so many of those people at Sunday's service were displaced people. So they're backlashing him on taking up money Sunday. So I don't know. How do you feel about this? Do you think that Osteen was telling the truth? That those were the construction workers who turned people around. Well, actually, he said that they didn't turn people away. They told them that this would not be a site, and they drove them to the convention center. Or do you think Osteen was like saying, "I don't want them at my church. We can be a pickup location for donations given, but I don't want to house those." I mean, how do you feel? I I was appalled when I heard the rumor about him turning away people. But since given this analogy, I hope he's sincere. I really would hate to think that Pastor Osteen would do something like that. But want to hear your thoughts and comments about the situation. And do you agree with Tyler Perry giving the $250,000 to the mega church? And which I love Tyler Perry, and I think that that's a good thing to do because the church is and always helped people of all nationalities. So what's your thoughts on that? Just press that comment button and let us know. And as always, be blessed. Bye.